Welcome to Eastertech and Moonbase Lapträsk. This is the school that we're going to make Moonbase analog out of. An analog is something that's trying to mimic or look the same or try out things that are going to happen in the Moonbase in this case. And the difference between an analog on Earth and a Moonbase on the Moon will be, in this case, that this is an old school building made of wood. It's standing outside and it's snow and winter, but it's quite nice clean air you can breathe. On the Moon, obviously, there is no air to breathe, and the Moonbase will actually be underground, a fair bit underground, so the outside, well, it's rock, so you can't do this kind of film at the Moonbase. The next step to do here on site in Lapträsk is to start making rooms inside into Moonbase rooms, things that you would need in the Moonbase, and repair, because it's an old building. There is a fair bit of repair. The roof needs replacing. It actually does need replacing, but it definitely needs repairing, and we will start there. Okay, thank you. Share, like, subscribe.